Welcome back for the third module in our series, and now that we have a good grasp on crypto philanthropy, which is kind of like the intro use case for many nonprofits, and some tips and tricks for how to build community in this space, we're going to dive into the world of decentralized governance. So first off, what does decentralized governance mean? Every organization makes decisions, as we know. Who gets hired, how money is spent, what programs get prioritized. Usually these decisions flow through familiar structures, like executives, boards, and committees. Decentralized governance imagines something different. What if decisions were made not by appointed leaders, but by everyone with a stake in the organization? What if the rules were transparent and enforced by code? What if the process was open enough that anyone could see not just what was decided, but how and why? This isn't utopian dreaming. It's happening right now in organizations managing billions of dollars. Let's look at Arbitrum DAO, for example, which governs one of Ethereum's largest layer 2 networks. Hundreds of millions of dollars in their treasury get allocated through community proposals and votes. Anyone can submit an idea and token holders vote on whether to fund it. Gitcoin, on the other hand, allocates funding through community signals. Thousands of people participate in directing millions of dollars to public goods projects they believe in. Even traditional organizations are starting to experiment. Some nonprofits are exploring donor DAOs where they can let major contributors vote on program priorities. We've also seen on-chain voting to ratify strategic decisions, and even the use of blockchain recorded feedback loops to incorporate community input. So why does this matter for social impact? Well, number one, legitimacy. When decisions are made transparently with genuine participation, people trust them more. The community decided carries way different weight than management decided. The concept of leveraging the wisdom of the crowd is big in Web3, and this is a great way to help build up that credibility. Accountability is the second benefit here, in that when every vote is recorded on chain, there's no hiding behind closed-door processes. Decision makers are publicly accountable for their choices. And inclusion. Traditional governance tends to favor those already in power. Decentralized models, especially ones experimenting with quadratic voting and reputation systems, can amplify voices that usually go unheard. So that's a little bit about why you should be excited about decentralized governance in Web3. And now we're going to dive a bit more into some of the practical tools that you could use day by day at your organization. So we'll see you there.